Hello everyone, welcome to Gamya Tutorials. Today topic General Science, all competitive exams, important questions previous. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎవరు ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నారో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. సో లెట్ స్టార్ట్. Newton's first law is also called inertia. Nucleus of an atom consists of neutrons and protons. Water solubles are vitamin B and vitamin C. Fat solubles are vitamin K, A, D and E. Thalassemia is a hereditary disease affecting to the blood. Waves are used in night vision apparatus that is called infrared waves. Spinach leaves a rich source of iron. Blue color of the clear sky is due to the dispersion of light. Hardest substance available on earth is diamond. A gas is used to disinfect in drinking water is called chlorine. The medicine known for treatment of malaria, that is chloroquine. Which vitamin is called as ascorbic acid, that is called vitamin C. Frog is a amphibians. What are antibiotic? Chemical which can kill bacteria. A solution of pH value 10 is basic solution. Bacteria cell is it is neither plant cell not an animal cell. Cartilage is a ear bone. Freezing temperature of water on Kelvin scale, that is 237 degrees centigrade. Temperature of 30 degrees Fahrenheit corresponds to an Celsius scale is 0 degrees Celsius. Essential components of most acid is hydrogen. Lack of vitamin B complex causes of pellagra. The donor of AB blood group can donate recipient of blood group of AB. Synovial fluid is found in the joints. Ribosome's main activity is protein synthesis. Study of coin is called numismatics. There were no atmosphere, the sky would appear black. Newton kg is a unit of acceleration. Cooling agent in refrigerator is ferron. To make a steel hard we had carbon. Universal donor blood group is 0. The air bubbles shine in water due to the reflection. Blood can be given to a person having group A. A and B can give. SI unit of specific resistance is ohms. Related to the force between two electrostatic charges is Coulomb law. Lignite is a type of coal. Law concerning the motion of planets were suggested by Kepler. Chemical name of table salt, that is sodium chloride. Number of Puranas is 18. Who proposed the law of gravitation, that is Newton. Gobar gas mainly contains that is methane. First land on moon is methane. Vaccination is invented as Edward Jenner. The unit of luminous efficiency of an electrical bulb is lumen. Central Fuel Research Institute is located at Dehradun. Ampicillin is used as an antibiotic. Soil erosion is caused by deforestation. World Red Cross Day, that is 8th May. Which organ is the alternate terms of womb? Uterus. Vessels leaving the heart are arteries. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Conversion of oil into solid fat is known as hydrogenation. Dry ice is a solid carbon dioxide. Soda water contains sodium bicarbonate. Used for dry cleaning is kerosene oil. Cooking is quicker in a pressure cooker because increased pressure raises boiling point. The part of the eye behind the lens is filled with vitreous humor. A compound of carbon which is used by anesthetic is called chloroform. The filament in electric bulb lamp has high resistance and high melting point. The number of cranial nerves in human beings is 12 pairs. When the temperature of metallic conductor increases, the resistance that also increases. A falling drop of rainwater accurates the spherical shape due to the surface tension. A apparatus is used for the electrolysis of water, that is voltmeter. A periscope works on the principle of reflection and refraction. Marsh gas is a methane. Lime water turns milk due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Diabetic Day is 14th November. Graphite and diamonds are allotropes. Organic compounds generally form covalent bonds. Lambda is used to denote the wavelength. Sex of child determines by father. How many blood groups do humans have? 4 types. Diseases occur due to the uncontrolled cell division, that is rabies. Powerhouse of cell is that is called mitochondria. National Science Day, that is 28th February. X-ray region lies in between gamma rays and ultraviolet rays. Green pigment found in plants that performs photosynthesis, that is chlorophyll. One megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. Green revolution production of food grains. Comets revolve around the sun. Most elastic is steel. Yellow fever is transmitted by air. Deficiency of vitamin B6 in man causes of anemia. Jaundice is symptoms of disease, that is liver. Influenza is caused by virus. Bamboo is classified as grass. Gases contributed to the greenhouse effect in the environment, that is carbon dioxide and methane. Study of the body plan of animal is called anatomy. AIDS diseases affect which part of the body? Immune system. Powerhouse of cell, that is mitochondria. Father of biology, that is Aristotle. Atomic number of sodium, that is 11. Hydrogen bomb works on the theory on nuclear fission. Developed quantum theory, that is Max Planck. The mean distance between sun and earth measured in a kilometer. How many Upanishads is there? 108. Pituitary gland is situated in of the human body, that is brain. RH factor of blood is discovered on the basis of monkey. Saliva digested dash part of food in the mouth, that is starch. Vinegar is a acetic acid. Which property of light defines its color? Frequency. Diameter of the earth is more than equator. Unit of radian, that is angle, invariably found in all the acids, that is hydrogen. GPS full form, global positioning system. Ethanol alcohol is also called as spirit. Molecular formula of ethane is C2H44. Human respiratory system starts with nostrils. The number of chromosomes in human beings are 23 pairs or 46 chromosomes. OCR, optical character recognition. Magnetic is an ore of iron. Substance which has some chemical properties but different physical properties are called allotropies. Instrument measured humidity, that is hygrometer. The formation of three-dimensional image of interference source of light is called holograph. Longest day northern hemisphere is 21st June. Non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature, that is bromine. Hug amount of energy is released in atomic explosion due to the conversion of mass into energy. Potassium nitrate is mainly used in fertilization. The method used for cleaning muddy water is stilling. Measuring the atomic pressure is barometer. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇక్కడ వరకు ఒక పార్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఆల్ టాపిక్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. సో నేను అప్లోడ్ చేయాలంటే నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ రావాలి. సో మీరు లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటే నాకు ఇంకో వీడియోస్ చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. జై హింద్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.